This is going to be a short video on the JSVER power outlet. It's a power strip. You can get this with 3 outlets, you can get it with 2 outlets, you can get it in a cube. The cube has the outlets on each side. 350 joules of protection, surge protection. It's got a grounded plug. I think the cord is 5 feet long. 2.4 amp USB connector so that you can charge up your cell phone or any USB product. 2.4 amps is more than enough. So let's plug this thing in and check it out. I want you to look down into the outlet. You'll notice that there are child protective covers in there. So this is very good if you have children or pets. Perfect for safety. So I'm going to plug in my USB so we can see that working, and then I'll plug in a power cord. I'm going to plug in the USB charging cord for the cell phone. And the nice thing is that this has an on-off switch, so you're going to see that it's charging, so the USB ports work. And it's very convenient. That way you don't have to deal with the old-style extension cords. You have a nice miniature power strip. It's not bulky. And let's try it out with the power. Do the exact same thing. Plug it in. And we see that we are able to get power. So this is a very nice, compact, simple power strip with surge protection, 3 USB ports, 2.4 amps, and 3 outlets. And again, I said you could order this in 2 outlets, or you can order it, it's in a cube shaped with the outlets on each side. You can get this on Amazon.